Guys, and I'm back, but this time I'm playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2 this time, and this might be even harder now, but this is going to be so hard. Okay, no one's there, no one's in my closet, no one's there, checking around, that someone's going to be there. There's that. I'm scared, I'm gonna die out here. Come on, I need to win. Oh my god. I got scared then. And yeah, this is gonna be terrifying. And I tried to make the noise up. Oh! I wonder why Bonnie's not there. Oh no. No, I hear someone. Someone's in my closet. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Bonnie. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Chica. 1, 2, 3. No one's there. Behind. Go away. No one's there. No! Who's in the closet? Someone's gonna go in the closet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no one's in my closet. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully no one's in my closet. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is scary. Oh no. Oh, it's 2 a.m. 1, 2, 3. No one's in my closet yet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I feel like someone's in my closet. But they're not. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no one's there. No one's there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no one's there. Okay, check the middle. I'm not going to check the middle until I see the move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check behind. No one's there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. No one's in my closet yet. 1, 2, 3. Still no one's in my closet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is gonna be dead. This flower scare me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! It was 3 a.m. I think. But sadly, I died. Let's try that again. Okay, night 2. Back in my little kid's life.